and we are almost now here arriving. And stay tuned because I will show you the penthouse. And maybe you are interested with the 2 bedrooms or the studio or the 1 bedroom. I mean. So Marco Polo also has can offer you that one. And that's the Marco Polo Hotel. And that's the tower 1 of Marco Polo. And those are the tower 3, 2, 4, and 5. So we are now here on the parking lot. We will park first. And this is the open parking of Marco Polo. We will find a good spot for the parking. I think we can park there. Here. I think here is better. And that's the Marco Polo Hotel. And that's the other development. It's 128 Neville Hills by Santa Lucia. And that's the tower 1 of Marco Polo. Those are the tower 4, 5, 3, and 2. And this is the open parking of the Marco Polo. And this is another penthouse. This is total of 6 bedroom penthouse because you have 5 bedrooms and 1 for the maid's room. And first I will bring you to the main, not the main bedroom, but this is the regular bedroom, but you have toilet and bathroom on this bedroom. But this is the main bedroom of the penthouse. Yeah, this is still located on the tower 4. Marco Polo has 5 towers. And that's the Marco Polo Hotel, and back beside of that Marco Polo Hotel is the tower 1 of the Marco Polo, and that's the tower 2, that's the tower 3, and right now we are on the tower 4 of the Marco Polo, and that's the last tower of the Marco Polo, the tower 5. So you don't have to worry if you worry to block the view, because that's the last floor of the tower 5. And I am bringing you here right now because the Federal Land, the developer of the Marco Polo, is now offering a really huge discount for the penthouse. For the penthouse level only, because the other level, they offer discounts also, but it's only 16% discount. And for the penthouse, we have available 2 penthouses here, and it's 25% discount. And this one is, the price of this penthouse is it's about 28 million, less the 25% discount. It's only about 21 million plus the ARC, and another perks of this penthouse, free parking. You don't have to pay parking. Some of the condo in the Cebu City, the parking there is, the price is almost 1.8 to 2 million. Some development, the price is 1.3 for just only for the parking. So this is the main bedroom of the penthouse. Comes with your toilet and bathroom there, and comes with your beautiful view of the tower 5, tower 2, the Marco Polo, the Busay Mountain. Those are the views of this penthouse. And you have this high ceiling here. And I will bring you to the second regular bedroom of this penthouse, because we have 6 bedrooms of this penthouse, including the maid's room. And this one is the regular bedroom, and you have the view of the mountain. Wow. nice view, mountain view. And you have that toilet and bathroom. So this is the second bedroom. We will show you the next bedroom, which is this one. And this bedroom doesn't have your balcony or your toilet and bathroom, but you have the view of the amenities and the tower 3 of the Marco Polo and the Marco Polo Hotel, and the tower 2 of Marco Polo, and the tower 5. And you have this closet there, and in front of this regular bedroom is the common toilet and bathroom, which is this one, and it's large common toilet and bathroom. And this is the area of this penthouse is 128 square meters, and this is located on the Tower 4 of the Marco Polo. And this is your, like, the living area. That's the main door of the penthouse. And beside of the main door is kitchen here. This is your kitchen. Some condo, you know, it's small kitchen, but this one, I like this one because large ang kitchen dire here in the Marco Polo. And later on, that's the last bedroom that we will check. But this is the main door of the 128 square meter penthouse. That's the kitchen, and this is your living area and dining area, and those are the going to your bedroom, the master's bedroom with own toilet and bathroom, the first regular bedroom with own toilet and bathroom, the second regular bedroom with no toilet and bathroom and no balcony, and your common toilet and bathroom. And this one here, area here, is you have that balcony, and we will check the balcony. Let's go to your balcony. And this is your balcony, and this is the view of your balcony below. That's the common area of the Tower 5, that area here there, and that's the Tower 5, the park place, and that's the swimming pool of the Marco Polo, and the green area, and below there is the villas, and that's the Tower 3, and that's the basketball court of Marco Polo, the tennis court, basketball court, and that's the free open parking area. That's free parking, open parking, and that one is parking for the hotel, and the parking with the fee parking. You have to pay if you are going to park there. And that's the hotel, and currently the hotel is ongoing renovation. And that one, you can see that building, it's different development. That's development by the Santa Lucia. It's 128 Neville Hills. And this is your balcony, and I will show you now the fourth bedroom, or maybe you can turn this into your home office, because this one is a little small. Maybe you can turn this into den, home office, or playroom, or maybe library, prayer room, if you want to turn this one, because this is small, or maybe kids room. You can make it in kids room also. So that's the fourth bedroom, and this is the fifth bedroom. And this one here also comes with your balcony. So this bedroom doesn't have like your common toilet and bathroom, or the toilet and bathroom, but you have your balcony. What you can see in this balcony is the same view with the balcony from your living area, but we will just still check. And this is your balcony. Actually, it's the same view. The same view, you can still see the Tower 5 of the Marco Polo. That's the Tower 2, and at the back of the Tower 2 is the Tower 1, the Marco Polo Hotel, and the Tower 3 of the Marco Polo, and the amenities. Let's go back and we will check. This is now the fifth bedroom of the Marco Polo, and you have that closet, and you have that high ceiling also. And the sixth bedroom is actually the maid's room. So this is the maid's room here beside your kitchen, and the maid's room comes with your toilet and bathroom. Yeah, there is a small toilet and bathroom here for your helper's room. If you don't have helper's room, maybe you can turn this area into your laundry area, because there is a provision for the laundry, washing machine, and the dryer. And or maybe you can turn this area here into your pantry or your stock room, diba? If you don't have a helper. And this is your large kitchen of the Marco Polo. Again, this is the Tower 4 of the Marco Polo, and this is 128 square meters, and selling this one for about 28 million. And since currently 25% discount is ongoing, you can avail that. Whether you are paying its bank financing or spot cash, you can avail the bank financing, and it's really huge discount, to tell you, and comes with your parking. To summarize, we have just visited, or we have just checked 6-bedroom penthouse, including the maid's room, and 1, 2, 3, four toilet and bathroom, and 2 balcony on this penthouse. And we are still on the 26th level of the Tower 4 of Marco Polo. And this has been me again, Mark, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are interested with this video, message me or call me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is +63 935 738 5814, and my Viber and Telegram is +63 905 2828 738, and my email is markantonydavid697@gmail.com. It's one word, and I really encourage you to check this one because you will not regret buying this one, because Marco Polo is developed and backed up by the strong developer, the Federal Land, and they are strong in Manila, and the Marco Polo is their first project here in Cebu. So this has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye, 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 bye. And for the last time, I want to tour you around.